Hello and welcome to our video on the booming AI tool industry. In this video, we'll explore the opportunities and challenges that come with the rise of AI in different sectors of the economy. Artificial intelligence has been a buzzword for years, but it's only recently that we've seen its true potential in various industries. According to a report by IBM, AI has the potential to integrate new sources of Internet of Things-based sensor data and improve productivity in manufacturing, while enhancing designs efficiently in product development. Similarly, in public services, AI has been used to reduce costs and offer new possibilities in areas like public transport, education, energy and waste management, and also to improve the sustainability of products, contributing towards achieving the goals of the EU Green Deal. Let's take a closer look at the opportunities and challenges in the manufacturing sector. AI has made it possible to integrate various IoT-based sensors and provide real-time granular analysis to field engineers, thereby improving their productivity. Furthermore, AI has the potential to improve prototype development capabilities and testing at scale, thereby enhancing the design process efficiently. Similarly, in public services, AI has been used to reduce costs and offer new possibilities in public transport, education, energy and waste management. For example, in public transport, AI can help optimize traffic flow, while in education, it can assist in personalized learning, adapting to each student's needs. Furthermore, AI can help improve the sustainability of products by identifying ways to reduce waste and enhance recycling efforts. However, with every opportunity, there are also challenges. AI has the potential to automate jobs, and there is a risk of unemployment in sectors where automation is adopted on a large scale. There is also the challenge of ensuring the ethical use of AI, especially when it comes to decision-making. For example, in finance, AI algorithms can be used to determine creditworthiness, but there is a risk of bias in the algorithms. This can lead to discrimination and unfair practices. It's crucial that we monitor the use of AI and ensure that it is used ethically and responsibly. In addition, there is a need for AI to be used in collaboration with humans, rather than replacing them altogether. AI can take care of the repetitive, tedious tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and complex work. We need to ensure that AI is used as a tool to augment human capabilities, rather than replace them. In conclusion, the booming AI tool industry presents a host of opportunities and challenges. It's up to us to ensure that we use AI ethically and responsibly, while taking advantage of the many benefits it provides. We hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and find a link to our blog in description below to find more interesting information.